Have you heard about Claude? It's an AI assistant, a bit like having a very knowledgeable, patient, and helpful friend available on your computer, tablet, or phone any time of day or night. And the good news is, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. If you can type a question, you can use Claude. So what can Claude actually do for you? Let's start with writing. Whether you want to write a letter to a friend, a card message for a grandchild's birthday, or even your life story, Claude can help. Just tell it what you want to say, and it will help you find the right words. Not sure how to start? Simply type something like, "Help me write a letter to my sister, who I haven't seen in 2 years." And Claude will do the rest. You can then change anything you don't like and ask Claude to rewrite it until it sounds just right. Claude is also wonderful for answering questions. Have you ever wanted to know more about a medical term your doctor used, or wondered about the history of your town, or wanted a recipe explained in plain English? Just ask Claude. It's patient, it never makes you feel silly for asking, and it will explain things as simply or as fully as you like. For those of you who love to read, Claude can recommend books based on your favorite authors or genres. And if you're a crossword fan, it can help you with those tricky clues too. Claude can also help with everyday practical tasks, like drafting a complaint letter to a company, helping you understand a confusing bill or document, or even suggesting ideas for a day out based on where you live. And for those with a creative side, Claude loves that too. You can ask it to write a poem for a loved one, help you write your memoirs, or even invent a bedtime story for the grandchildren with their names in it. The possibilities really are endless. One thing worth knowing, Claude is kind and unhurried. There's no rushing, no judgment, and no question too small. You can ask the same thing several times in different ways until you get the answer that makes sense to you. To get started, simply visit Claude.ai on your computer or tablet, that's CLAUDE.ai, and you can begin chatting straight away for free. Claude won't replace the people in your life, but it might just make everyday tasks a little easier, a little more enjoyable, and a lot more manageable. Why not give it a try today? You might be surprised just how much it can do for you.